Good morning. One more simple problem, and I'm going to write code in Java for this. Given a list of strings or array of strings and two other strings, find the distance between the strings if they are present in the list. Find distance between the strings between two strings if they are present in the list. Now, let us take the input cases. We have a list of strings, array of strings, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. S1 is first, S2 is 3. These are two given strings. The distance between them is, say, this is index of first string. This is index of second string. The distance is 3. Okay, sorry, distance is 2. Now, second case. First, this is index of first string. Then this is index of second string. And again, this is new index of first string. First difference is 3, second difference is 1, and you want minimum distance, so answer is 1. Next, first index is not there, first string is not there, so no question of distance between first and second, answer is -1. First string is there, but second string is not there, so no question of any distance between them. Both first string and second string are not there, so no question of any distance. Okay, so these are different types of cases and these are the outputs, and we need to write code to implement it. Okay, now let us start coding in Java. So given string array, given a string array, so first, second, and third, first, second, third, and say fourth. Four strings are given. Now, one more input. String 1 is first. It is there in the original list. String 2 is third, which is also there in the list. Now, let us call a function. Functions are always fun. Inputs are array of strings, string 1 and string 2, which returns a distance. Fine. Now, let us write that function. The main program itself, because you're calling the function by name, it must be static. By default, it is default. Returns integer. Name is fun. Now, array is string array. and two individual strings. Their names are str1 and str2. I took them as s1 and s2. Now, initially, I find out the length of our array, and then index 1, the position of string 1. I assume that it is not there. Similarly, index 2, I assume that it is also not there in the main list. Now, the minimum distance, I take worst case maximum. What is that? Infinite. The maximum value my computer can store, or your computer can store. I mean, what is this? This is worst case max. Now, start your journey from index 0 to index n. Okay. Now, if if ith string is string 1, then index 1 is I. If ith string is string 2, then index 2 is I. Then the statements are self-explanatory. Next, if index 1 is not equal to -1 and index 2 not equal to -1, then both strings are present in the list. Okay. Then find out absolute distance. आगे हो सकता है, पीछे हो सकता है. Take absolute distance by using math class and absolute method and distance between index 1 and index 2. If this distance is less than or infinite, then the new minimum will be the current distance. Okay. So I hope you understand it. Now, all are searched. Come here. If both the indices are not equal to 0, if both the indices are not equal to -1, then both the words are present in the list. So return the minimum distance. Otherwise, if one of them are not found or both of them are not found, return -1. Okay. So that's it. This method returns distance if both are present. If one or none are present, it returns -1. Okay. So here both are present. The distance is 2. Let us check the answer. Error. String name is not given. I assumed it as array, but not given. So one more error. Variable string 2. The distance is 2. Okay. Now Let us add one more string here. So I added first two times. Now you can see distance between first and third is 2. Third and first is 1, absolute distance. So first 2, then 1. Minimum is 1. The answer should be 1. Okay. Now third test case. One of them are not present. I'm sorry. I should remove this as well. Now one of them is not found. Suppose this one is found, but this is not found. S2 is not found. Still minus 1. Last case, both are not found. Okay. So I hope you understand this method of finding distance between two strings if they are present in the list. Otherwise, return minus 1. Okay. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much.